In this chapter we are going to see how to use Cisco Packet Tracer. So first of all, I would like to highlight, since this is one of the virtual training, and for sure I will not be able to show you the physical routers and the switches console here. So what Cisco has done, Cisco has provided one of the tools here which can be used for our a lab purpose or demo purpose. So that is one of the simulation tools. I will show you how exactly you will be able to use the same. So the very first things what you will have to do is you'll have to set up this before moving into the routing part. Okay, so let's get started. So you'll have to search for Cisco Network Academy, and this Cisco Network Academy, and just click on this Cisco Network Academy. The first link you will have to click here. In this, now you will have to go ahead and simply log in. So first of all, if you have the particular username and password you have already registered with this, you can log in, or one more things you can perform. For example, click on login here. See, click on login. It will ask you to put up your username and password. See, if you have already registered on this, you can go ahead and put up your email ID and you'll be able to access it. But let's say if I have not registered yet on this particular, then you will have to create a Cisco ID. So by clicking here, sign up, you will have to create the new account on this particular portal, and once you have successfully created the account here, you'll be able to log in. So just to highlight one more point, once you click on sign up, it will ask you a couple of questions like your email IDs, your password, your full name, your organization name, everything it will ask. Just like how you create the Gmail account, same thing it will ask those details you will have to provide, and once you provide, you are good to go ahead and you will be able to successfully create that. So since I have already created my ID, and I am going to log in with the same. So I'll be using my ID here. This is my personal ID which I have used, my Gmail account through which I have already registered here. So I'll click on this and move ahead with the next. Now see, it will ask for the password. Now again, same thing you will have to focus. Once you register, you will get the login, username and password. So password is also which I have already saved to my laptop. I am using it, and just click on login. Say this. So make sure, if you are very new to this portal, you will have to sign up first, and if you are already registered, you will have to log in. Simple. Once you have done this, this is one of the another sections you need to go for, where click on resource and go to download packet tracer. Download packet tracer. Fine, click on this. See, this packet tracer, what exactly it is? Your packet tracer is one of the best methods to go ahead and do the lab or do the hands-on. Simple. It's one of the simulation tool which is given by Cisco itself. So scroll down, you'll get the options to download here itself. See, just find out the versions now. If you want, you can download Windows or Linux or Macintosh. So let's say for me, I'm using Windows and 64 bits. So I will click on this. The moment you click on this, it will start downloading the same. So you will have to simply click on this and see, it will keep on now downloading the same here into your laptop. See, it is asking to save. But I have already downloaded this particular Cisco Packet Tracer, and I have successfully installed to my laptop as well. So what you will have to do, the process must be clear, like you need to register, and then you need to come to the resources section, click on download packet tracer and come down, choose the supported operating system to you, and simply you will be able to download. Once it is downloaded, you will have to install that particular packet tracer in your systems. And for me, as of now, I have already installed here. So I will simply go ahead and open my Cisco Packet Tracer. It is here. Open this. Let's see. So Cisco Packet Tracer. Let me open and show you the additional things. Say this. This is one of the simulation tool through which you will be able to do the hands-on. See, it is asking you to log in. So again, you need to remember, right now you will have to click here, not here. You'll have to click here and you'll have to click on login. Click on this logo. See, just to be highlight, you will have to just keep like this and click on this logo. Click on this logo. It will ask the same credentials which you have created. See, you will have to put up your email and your password like this. My email is here and I will have to put up my password now to this. My password is not taking. I'll go for different password. Let me choose. And yes, it is not taking my password. Maybe it is out of my mind what is the password. So maybe if it is not taking, I will simply reset my password. But let me check. Yes, it is successfully. We have seen that. Yes, now Cisco packet tracer is opened. Now couple of points to be remember here, like this is Cisco packet tracer workspace where you have the file edit options and everything available. You have open, you have new, you have save, everything is available here. You need to find out the best methods to go for networking devices first. Networking devices are here, in which you can find your routers. See, this is the router symbol. So physically the routers is like a box, like a dabba, but here it is your symbolic representations of your router is like this, and this is your switches, and like that other devices are there. For example, if I need the router, I'll click on this and choose the series, which series routers you need. If you remember, we have discussed about couple of series of routers like 2911 series router or 91 series router or 2811 series router. You can see here. So for example, I will go ahead and click on this 2811 series router and just keep it here. If you want multiple router at the same time, you need to press Control and then choose this, and then take number of routers here. See, like this. If you want, you can delete this as well by clicking this. You can delete this. See, simple. You can delete this. If you want the cable connection, see, this is your cable connection. This is your cable connections. This is connections in which you can find automatic cable or console cable, your straight cable, your crossover cable. Like that, many cables are present. Whichever you want, you can use it. Fine. So this is how you'll be able to access the same. One more point. Coming to the physical appearance of routers, for sure that will be just similar to your simulations. But most of the time when you are operating with the training or maybe the demos, your Cisco packet tracer is good. But if you have the physical devices, that is also wonderful. So that's it for this lecture, guys. How to install the packet tracer and how to use that, I will for sure show you later on in this particular videos. Fine. So that's it for this. Thank you. See you in next.